In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Todoist to Google Calendar. This is a fantastic way to ensure your tasks and your schedule harmonize perfectly, helping you manage your time efficiently. Let's dive into the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to have easy access to Todoist. So, go ahead and open the Todoist web app on your computer, or if you prefer, simply open the Todoist app on your mobile device. Both ways work perfectly fine to get you started, so choose whichever is most convenient for you. Now, once you've got that open, let your eyes wander up to the top left corner of your screen. That's where you'll spot your avatar. Give it a click. This will take you a little deeper into your settings, where the magic begins. After you've clicked on your avatar, you'll see an option labeled Settings in the drop-down menu. Clicking on that opens up a world of customization options, tailor-made to enhance your productivity experience. What you're looking for today, in particular, is the Calendars section. Go ahead and give that a tap or click, depending on the device you're using. Here in the Calendars section, you'll find the option to connect Google Calendar. Clicking this button sets the stage for syncing your task manager with your calendar. Now it's time to choose the Google account you want to link with Todoist. Once you've made your selection, you'll be prompted to click Continue to allow the necessary permissions. This step is crucial as it ensures that both services can communicate smoothly. By granting these permissions, you're essentially allowing Todoist to update your Google Calendar, keeping everything synced without any extra effort on your part. Once the permissions are granted and your Google Calendar is connected, you'll notice that you've been effortlessly guided back to your Todoist settings. It might take just a moment, but soon everything will be in tune. At this point, there's just a little icing on the cake left. Find your way to the Sync Tasks to Calendar section. This is the final toggle you need to ensure all your Todoist tasks seamlessly appear on your Google Calendar. Toggle this option on, and just like that, your tasks will automatically sync over. Every new task you add to Todoist will appear on your Google Calendar, saving you from having to manually update every time something changes. This integration is exceedingly helpful for those who rely on organizational tools to stay on top of their daily responsibilities. And there you have it, a simple but effective way to enhance your productivity by connecting Todoist with Google Calendar. Integrating these two powerful tools will help ensure that nothing falls off your radar and that all your tasks are right where you need them to be, right alongside your other scheduled events. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful in streamlining your task management.